Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
Kunjani baba Ngcobo?
Siyaphila njani bhuti?
Angikhona phela.
Danke baba. Uzwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Hayi uyabona le game yanamhlanje was much disappointed but kule game esibuya kuyo eThekwini.
Yeah.
Bengu expected ukuthi the guys will make more
than that, yeah.
More than that. The way besingakhona sinaleso spirit sokuthi okay start Nedbank fine sesibheke ukuthi manje sizothatha top 8 but I'm disappointed wena baba Ngcobo since silengile lapha ku number 9 ngibheke today ukuthi siyolala seku number 6 but angikho kahle baba Ngcobo the way abafana abadlale ngakhona abadlalanga ngendlela besibheke ngayo and again into esibonile sidlale i-defense singakakora asina goal sifuna i-goal sifuna i-top 8 but sidlala i-defense ascore siyadefenda nje and labantu esidlala nabo babheka ukuthi noma bangadlala i-draw bayaqualify ku-top 8
bese kuma trials futhi la for next season.
Yeah, for next season. So I think guys must make up ukuthi babuye ba change ama minds wabo and also again wena baba Ngcobo ne yabona masingabuya siphethe imbiza sileka kumbiza thina imbiza yethu yaleka besiphethe imbiza yabo simphiwe shabalala abo Rinelu wetsholo lanyana abo Luthulunyana beba distribute mfethu babanikeza singaba nabo abo lollipop but ayikho into azoyenza makanganikeza uyangithola sota ngabantu abazosinikeza and enye into futhi esibona ukuthi sileka kuyo ne masayina sisayina i-defend like sirely umuntu noyi-1 makane injury lo muntu asenayo umuntu ososivalela la game. I think into kumele sihambe sozilungisa lezo but anyway we have learned from our mistake. I think next season we'll make it more than what we have done this season. After 10 years, singatholi cup, singaphakamisa next, but bese sithembile nokuthi ne-MTN 8 sizothola something. But anyway, we are disappointed, but sawulungisa ama mistake wethu. Siyabuya.
Tada. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.